In India, studying in an English medium school is often seen as a status symbol and a gateway to better opportunities. However, many students who complete their education in English still struggle to speak the language fluently. This disconnect can be frustrating and hinder their personal and professional growth. In this video, we'll explore some common reasons behind this issue and provide practical solutions to help you improve your English speaking skills. Reasons for the struggle. 1. Lack of practice outside the classroom. While English is the medium of instruction, many students revert to their native languages during breaks, at home, and in social settings, limiting their exposure and practice. 2. Focus on writing and reading over speaking. The curriculum in many schools emphasizes written exams, grammar rules, and reading comprehension, often neglecting the development of oral communication skills. 3. Limited opportunities for conversation. Large class sizes and traditional teaching methods leave little room for students to engage in meaningful conversations, ask questions, or receive personalized feedback. 4. Fear of making mistakes. The pressure to speak perfect English can lead to anxiety and hesitation, preventing students from actively participating and improving their fluency. 5. Rote learning. Rote learning, where you memorize grammar and vocabulary, is not very effective for learning a language. This approach often neglects the practical aspects of language learning, such as speaking and listening. 6. Teacher proficiency. The proficiency level of English teachers can vary significantly. In some cases, teachers themselves may not be completely fluent or confident in their use of English, thus limiting their ability to teach the language effectively. Solutions. 1. Immerse yourself in English content. Actively consume English media, such as movies, TV shows, podcasts, and audiobooks. This exposure will help train your ear and improve your comprehension and pronunciation. 2. Join conversation clubs or language partners. Seek out opportunities to practice speaking English in a supportive and non-judgmental environment. Join online forums, attend local meetups, or find language exchange partners. 3. Read aloud and record yourself. Reading aloud can help improve your pronunciation, intonation, and expression. Record yourself and listen back to identify areas for improvement. 4. Practice daily conversations. Incorporate English into your daily life by narrating your actions, having conversations with yourself, or discussing topics of interest with friends or family members. 5. Seek feedback and guidance. Consider taking an English speaking course, hiring a tutor, or joining a language learning platform that provides personalized feedback and guidance on your speaking skills. Six, build confidence and embrace mistakes. Remember that making mistakes is part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to speak up and practice, as confidence and fluency come with time and effort. Achieving fluency in English speaking takes dedication and consistent practice, even for those who studied in an English medium school. By implementing these solutions and embracing a growth mindset, you can overcome the challenges and develop the confidence and skills to communicate effectively in English. Remember, the journey to fluency is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay motivated, keep practicing, and celebrate your progress along the way.